Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Ria and I share regular job updates and internship hirings as well for all years, especially for freshers and 2027 and beyond. So today we have the hiring from MyBytes Technologies and they are hiring for the junior software engineer. So let's begin the video. Let's understand what are the keywords that they have put in the job description, what skills they need, what are the role and responsibilities for this role, and let's check what is the education qualification that they have mentioned for getting eligible for the role. So let's begin and check whether you are eligible for the role or not. So let's begin. First, in the job description, they have eight sections. First is the experience. So they are asking, basically, they're hiring for the freshers role. The location is Gurgaon. The salary is not disclosed yet. The job type is a full-time role and in-office role. So it is a basic full-time in-office role. You can imagine like approximately salary would be up to 6 LPA maybe, and the location is Gurgaon. It is a freshers role. Let's read the roles and responsibilities and the other details. So let's get started. About the company, so MyBytes Technology is a technology company basically, which offer the software development opportunities for the early career professionals. The provided job listing does not include the additional informations about the company's product or business operations as well. Let's understand the roles review. So they are basically hiring for the junior software engineer and start the career in Java development. So especially they have mentioned for the Java development. So you must know how to work on real Java applications, how to collaborate with experienced developers and gains hands-on experience in development, debugging, testing and software maintenance as well. The responsibilities they include are develop, test and maintain the Java-based applications. So basically, the whole role revolves around Java. So you must be proficient in Java, right? Collaborate with the team to design and implement the new features. Then you have clean, efficient, and maintainable code. So you must write a code which is understandable to you and you can make it understand others, right? Assist with debugging, troubleshooting, and system updates, basically around system upgrades and system debugging problems. Participate in code reviews and knowledge sharing sessions, basically reviews and sharing sessions, basically the knowledge you have. So these are the responsibilities you must have for the role. Let's understand what are the skills and requirement they need. First is core Java, then they have OOPS as well, Java collections, exception handling in Java only. SQL they also have for the database. Then they have relational databases as well, that is RDBMS. And then they have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, basically front end. So you must know Java, Java's collection, and all of that. Java basically features oops in Java, how we implement exceptional handling like try catch and throw in Java, and SQL databases and front end. Only front end, back end is not mentioned over here. Nice to have a Spring, Hibernate, Git, RESTful APIs, Java internship experience, and personal Java projects. So they are nice to have, which adds a plus to your resume. So Spring and Hibernate is also there, and they are basically the backend system for they're the frameworks of Java basically, Spring Boot and all of that. So you can also, if you know that, that will be a plus to your resume. And Java internship experience you must have. Then you have some personal Java projects. So if you are applying for a Java like uh, role, so you must know how to apply. Like basically, you must tailor your resume according to Java projects, right? Change your projects to Java projects if you have made them, or try to make them before applying so that you can mention that in your resume. What you will get is collaborate and supportive work environment. Then you have hands-on experience with the real-world projects, mentorship from the experienced developers, an opportunity to build a strong foundation in the software development. The work details includes 5 days of working. Then you have 5 days of full-time working basically. Location is Gurgaon only and no remote option. So it is not a remote option since it is a job. It is a full-time job, so it is not a internship that you can do it remotely, but you have to go to the office and you have to do the work there. The education you need, so bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or a related field is mandatory. BCA candidates are also welcome. So BCA candidates, if you are here watching the video, you can apply for the role. Only 2025 and 2026 batch freshers can apply. So basically, this is the role is basically for 2025 graduates and 2026 graduates as well. So if you are a fresher watching the video, comment down below that you are a 2026 graduate or a 2025 graduates and apply now. Just check the link in the description and apply now. So I guess that's it for the role. It's a good role, I guess, but salary is not mentioned. So approx you can consider upon up to like 6 LPA, and I'll be sharing the direct link in the description box. You can check that out, apply for the role, and get hired. Also subscribe to my channel for regular job updates and internship hirings. And yeah, that's it. Like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.